heard of mud puppies. This is the first time I see a grass puppy. Like puppy season. Oh, that one. Oh, he got me. And she's taking line. That's the runner. Oh, let's see if we can catch us a puppy. Puppies in season. Oh, it's a fighter. Oh, look, it's a fighter. Oh, got me one. Oh, let's see if we can work it. Guys, you gotta get a net. This is a big one right there. It's a keeper. Oh, that's a fighter. It's a fighter. Oh, it's coming in. He got tired. Oh, it's a tough one. Oh, it's taking line. Come on. Oh, come on. I think that's a pike fish. Come on, fishy. Get in the boat. Come on, fishy. Come on. Oh, that's a big puppy. Got one. Got us one. I think this is a state record right here. First grass puppy ever caught on the sponge. Shh, quiet. Oh, got another one on the fly. Oh, got another one. Yep. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, he's taking line. That's a tough one right there. First time, New York State record right here. First grass puppy ever caught. Oh, it's a runner again. It's a runner. Oh, it's taking off. It's taking line.